All right, guys, if you're new here, I want to quickly go over how to create a custom link from your affiliate dashboard. Now, once you log in, right on the homepage on the left-hand side, there is a create a link section. Up top, you're going to see an area where you can view all the links that you ever create, the brand that you're going to choose from the dropdown, which should be Coldbreak, and then the domain or web address that you're going to place here, which would be specific to like a specific product. And then we'll do that here really quick. Let's go. All right, so this is our homepage. And let's say I want to create a link specifically for the cold one. All I have to do is come up to the top here, click it, and it's going to highlight the entire web address. I'm going to Command C. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to come back to. All right, now I'm going to come back to my dashboard in the create a link section, and underneath landing page, I'm going to paste that link that I just copied for the cold one, and I'm going to click create, and it's going to create me a brand new link down below here. You probably can't tell because it's kind of cut off, but it actually generated me a brand new link. Now, when I copy this link here, this link is specific to me, but it's pointing to the cold one. And so anywhere that I paste this, whether it's in an email or on a YouTube video, if I paste that and somebody clicks it, it actually goes to this landing page, but it's tied to me personally, and I'll get commission on it. So that's how you create a link. And again, once you've created that link, you can click view all, and it'll bring up another page where you can see all the links that you've ever created. So questions, email us support@coldbreakusa.com.